To troubleshoot a BMO youth account, start by checking the account status and activity. Ensure the account is active and there are no holds or restrictions in place. Review the account transaction history to identify any suspicious or unauthorized transactions. Next, verify the account information, including the account holder's name, address, and date of birth. Confirm the account details are accurate and up to date. If any information is incorrect, contact BMO customer support to update the account details. If the issue persists, check the account balance and available funds. Ensure there are sufficient funds in the account to cover any transactions or fees. If the account is overdrawn, deposit funds to bring the account balance back to a positive state. Another common issue is with the account login credentials. Ensure the username and password are correct and try resetting the password if necessary. If the account is locked due to multiple incorrect login attempts, contact BMO customer support to unlock the account. For transaction-related issues, check the transaction history to identify the specific transaction causing the problem. If a transaction is pending or declined, contact the merchant or BMO customer support for assistance. To prevent future issues, regularly monitor the account activity and transaction history. Set up account alerts to notify the account holder of any suspicious or large transactions. Keep the account information and login credentials up to date and secure. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact BMO customer support for further assistance. They can provide additional guidance and support to troubleshoot and resolve the issue with the youth account. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily troubleshoot common issues with a BMO youth account and get back to managing the account with ease.